Today we are learning how to cook aloo fry. So boil the potatoes and cut them into cube-sized pieces. Cut onions into small pieces, chili 2, coriander little ginger garlic paste. Take oil into kadai. Do talimpu for it. Add onions, chili, coriander. Fry them. Add a pinch of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now add aloo into the kadai. Mix them well. Add some salt as your taste. Add a pinch of turmeric. Mix them well. After 2 minutes, close the lid. Remove the lid and mix it again. Add chili powder. Three teaspoons. Mix them again. Mix them like this till they mix up with the chili powder and all the ingredients we have added. Add coriander for decoration. Ready to serve. Enjoy the aloo fry. Bye bye.